morning, guys. So today we are going back to Ikea to get a kitchen table and chairs. So hopefully everything goes good, and maybe this will be the last time we go to Ikea for a while. Andrew, what do you think?
I hope so.
I hope so too. So I'm a bad vlogger and I totally forgot to vlog Ikea. So we're home now. So we got our table and chairs and we're gonna start putting everything together. Yay! And here's the final product. Big table.
Big.
So it's not quite finished yet, so I'm gonna upholster some cushions for the benches, add some pillows, and it'd be all good to go. Way to go.
There we go.
And I think that'll be it for us today. Sorry it was such a short vlog today, but that's how to do a DIY bench, an Ikea hack.
Yeah, it was a good day of work. So.
It's very, very strenuous. So we'll be sore tomorrow. All right, so make sure you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.